We are continuing with lesson 3.2, but now we're working on the simulation. And there's a couple issues with the simulation that when you get there, you might not realize you need to make some changes at first. So if you click on the link on slide 6, it will take you to the simulation through Amplified. So here I am, I preloaded it to make it easier for the video. You need to click on the 3 pancakes on the left-hand side and scroll all the way down on missions until you get to mission 3.2, same mass collisions. So click on 3.2. The first one is set up for you. I have object A that is moving at a velocity of 5 to the right, and object B is stationary. If I hit run, I can watch object A, hit object B. I see forces going for each one, right? And then I need to analyze my data. When I analyze it, I'm going to bring this replay bar all the way back until I see the point of impact where I get that force, the force arrows on both sides, because in my document, I need to record what the force is. So for example, on the first one, the initial velocity of object A is 5 centimeters to the right. The initial velocity of object B is 0 centimeters. The effect on object A, the effect of the impact is that object A stopped moving. Object B, that was not moving to begin with, started moving. The force strength, that's why you need to go back because you have to see the numbers. The force strength on object A and object B is 100 for both of them. So then you type in 100 and 100. Simple enough, right? When you do the next one, you are going to build the same sim, except this time it says that on trial 2, we need object B's initial velocity to be 5 centimeters to the left. So object A is already, 2 centimeters left. Object A is already moving 5 centimeters to the right. Object B, click on it and change the horizontal velocity to -2 so that it is moving to the left. And then hit run. If you exert force, you are not going to get the correct data because this lab is not telling us to exert force. It's telling us to have them already moving at a particular velocity. So make sure that you check that when you do it. Analyze the data again. Use the rewind button so that you get the correct arrows. This lesson is super easy for me to check because there are very specific answers. So no, don't cheat and don't shortcut it, okay? If you're not getting the correct answers, you need to let me know so I can help you. How do I add a sticker? There, sticker. Oh, that's cute. Anyway, when you're done with this slide, you are going to go down to slide 7. Slide 7. Many students said, isn't slide 7 the same as slide 6? And the answer to that is no, it's not the same. Because on slide 7, now I've got these crazy stickers in my way. On slide 7, you are looking at objects of different masses. So when you are in the simulation, click the pancakes and then make sure that you are on 3.2, different masses, because now it's object A and object B, and you can see by the key at the bottom that they are not the same mass. Analyzing the data is exactly the same. So let me know if you have questions.